Mozambique progresses and obstacles, including tourism. Dr. Walter Mzembi authored a report highlighting Mozambique's obstacles and possibilities as it progresses towards achieving sustainable development. Mozambique has substantial natural resources, including extensive liquefied natural gas (LNG) reserves, which give it a favorable standing in the global energy market. Welcome to the Institute for Cultural Diplomacy. The province of Cabo Delgado, where LNG activities are concentrated, has attracted significant foreign investment. As the report states, this influx of investment has the potential to drive the country's GDP growth to around 6% per year by the end of the decade. The ICD cautions that political instability and social inequalities could hinder this progress if not adequately resolved. Mozambique, rebuilding lives in Cabo Delgado by Alvo Naftalo-Fumane. The ongoing rebellion in Cabo Delgado, fueled by deep-rooted socio-political grievances, has become a significant source of destabilization. According to Dr. Mzembi's examination, it is crucial to prioritize inclusive governance and fair distribution of wealth to ensure that all Mozambicans reap the advantages of natural resource extraction. Failure to implement these actions may result in LNG investments failing to bring about transformative development. The ICD report emphasizes the importance of human capital development in Mozambique. The country's young population offers a demographic advantage that has the potential to be a key driver of national advancement. However, the limited availability of quality education and job opportunities poses a significant risk to this potential. The report highlights the necessity of implementing education reforms, technical training programs, and investing in higher education to empower the youth in Mozambique and facilitate long-term development. Infrastructure development is presented as a vital enabler of economic diversification. While Mozambique has made advances in improving road networks and port facilities, rural connectivity continues to lag, exacerbating regional inequalities. The ICD paper advocates for increased public-private partnerships to close these infrastructure gaps, ensuring that economic benefits extend to all regions of the country. Iterbonews.com. The report identifies climate change as a pressing concern. Mozambique's geographical position makes it particularly vulnerable to extreme weather events like cyclones and flooding. Devastation caused by Cyclone Idai in 2019 remains a poignant reminder of these risks. Dr. Mzembi argues for investments in disaster preparedness, renewable energy, and sustainable agriculture to enhance the country's resilience to climate change. Healthcare, another fundamental area of focus, is also addressed in the ICD analysis. Despite progress in combating diseases such as malaria and HIV/AIDS, disparities in healthcare access persist, particularly in rural areas. Strengthening Mozambique's healthcare system through increased funding, expanded coverage, and training of medical personnel is essential to bridging these gaps and improving overall public health outcomes. Dr. Mzembi underscores the importance of economic diversification in reducing Mozambique's reliance on its natural resource wealth. Sectors such as agriculture, tourism, and manufacturing offer significant growth and job creation opportunities. Mozambique's rich cultural heritage and biodiversity could position it as a leading tourism destination, further boosting foreign exchange earnings and fostering sustainable development. The report highlights the necessity of international cooperation in addition to domestic reforms. Mozambique's ability to achieve sustainable development hinges on the collaborative efforts of its government, private sector, and international partners. The ICD's emphasis on cultural diplomacy as a tool for peacebuilding and conflict resolution is particularly relevant in addressing the insurgency in Cabo Delgado and fostering national unity. Dr. Mzembi's paper concludes with a call for Mozambique to leverage its unique assets while addressing its vulnerabilities. The ICD's analysis portrays Mozambique as a nation at a pivotal juncture, endowed with immense natural and human resources but requiring concerted action to ensure its inclusive and resilient progress. This comprehensive assessment by the Institute of Cultural Diplomacy offers a roadmap for Mozambique's future, emphasizing the need for strategic investments, governance reforms, and international collaboration to unlock the nation's full potential. As the world watches, Mozambique stands poised to transform its challenges into opportunities, charting a path towards sustainable peace and prosperity for all its citizens.